Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay. Hi, I miss you guys. Okay, so I am here with an unboxing of the Boxy Luxe September Boxy Luxe. I was able to get my hands on it. There was so much going on with this. Honestly, this is their first ever Boxy Luxe. There was so much going on, so it dropped on at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that means people on the Pacific Coast had to wake up at 6 to get it, or 5, so that they were on the website by 6 o'clock. It dropped. A lot of people had problems getting in. I personally also had problems. I would get on the website and I logged in perfectly fine at 5. At 8. Like I was on at like 8:50, and 9 o'clock when it dropped, the website kept crashing and just kept crashing and kept crashing. So eventually I went to my email and I knew that they were going to send us emails for the Boxy Luxe. So when I finally got my email, it had the link to go directly to the Boxy Luxe page. And I don't know, I just kept trying to redeem it and upgrade. And it literally took me like 45 to 50 minutes to actually get the purchase to go through, because it would wait and wait. It would be like authorizing your purchase. And then after like 5 minutes, it would literally just crash. So it would be like error 50, whatever the hell. So I ended up being able to get one, which I'm very excited about. So the box in itself, the regular box is $21. Let me get a regular box. Regular size. This is the August Boxycharm right here, regular size. And this is the September Boxy Luxe. So the regular size retails for $21. So this one is $21 a month. You get 5 full-size products. You get 5 to 6 full-size products. I personally really love it. This is August one is actually my very first ever Boxycharm, but I have been wanting to get one for a very long time. So this one was $21 plus $28.99. So in all, it was $50 for this big thing. They just charged you the regular $21 and then they added $28.99. So it was $50 in all. And you are supposed to get 11 items, like 11 full-size items. You get 11 full-size items, and there's just a bunch of makeup and awesome cool stuff for $50. It's supposed to be at least, I think it's between $300 and $350 worth of product. So this is very exciting. I'm very happy. And yes, I haven't opened it, so this will be a treat for both me and you. So let's already took my keys to this, so it is open, the little stickers, but I haven't looked inside yet, so let's do that. Open it up, guys. I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing you see when you open it up is the little pamphlet that they always give you, which is awesome. So here they have Boxycharm. In the back they have little coupon codes for things, for some of the products that are inside of here. It says you will see what you get in the box, which is right here. And then here are all the prices and stuff. So I'm gonna be reading out the prices as I take things out, just so that we can, I can pretty much give you guys a feel of what it is. So I'm gonna leave this right there. Okay, so the first, so the first thing I did when I just opened it like this, and the first thing you see is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess. So I'm so excited for this. I actually own 2 Tarte products, and I literally only own them because I got them for my birthday for free, like from the little Sephora thing. I have one of their blushes and a little lip paint. But this will be my first full-size ever palette or anything from theirs. But this is the Park Avenue Princess High Performance Naturals Chisel Palette. Ooh, this is so pretty. Look at how pretty this is. This is gorgeous. I never realized how pretty this was. And then the back is just very, say hello guys. Hi. Okay. This is nice. Let me open it up. Okay, you got your cute little mirror. And then it says chiseled like a diamond. And then here is the palette itself. This is gorgeous, and it actually smells like chocolate to me. It reminds me of chocolate. I don't know if any of you have this. I don't know what it reminds you of, but this reminds me of chocolate, like a very sweet milk chocolate. So good. But the next Boxy Luxe is in December. So this Boxy Luxe is September. The next one will be in December. The Boxy Luxe is only quarterly. So there will be 4 boxes a month, one for each season. So it'll be March, June, September, and December. Those are the 4 months that you can get Boxy Luxe. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And the rest of the months of the year, you will get regular $21 box, which is great. I personally recommend Boxycharm. I have only literally gotten these 2 boxes and I'm already in love. So the Park Avenue Princess retails for $45. I already got my money back with this one palette. Wow. And there's still 10 more items in here. So what? I got my money back. This is crazy. This is gorgeous and I'm very excited to try it. Okay, the first thing I see when I opened it up again, well, took that little piece of foam off, is this Nightingale. This is the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale palette. This is the eyeshadow palette. Very pretty. I believe everybody who got the $21 box got this as well. So, ooh, it has this beautiful mirror. And here is the eyeshadows. Very pretty. Very smoky eye kind of thing, I believe, which is really cool. This is, well, it really is Nightingale. I feel like this is something you would wear for a night out or something. Very pretty, very nice. So here are the swatches. So there are 12 colors in total, and I think they did swatch pretty good. I think this one right here is the lightest shade. Obviously this one you can barely see it. This is the shade Hide and Seek. That is this shade right here. That's the shade right here. But I feel like you can really just use that for a nice little base for your after you put concealer on your lid. You can literally just use that to put it all over and kind of just like set it. This black swatched beautifully. The black is called All Nighter. So I'm going to tell you the names of every single last one of them in order. So this one is called Nocturnal, which I'm not really sure why it's called Nocturnal if it's light. This one right here is called Pillow Fight. The next one right here is called Break Free, which reminds me of the Queen song. This one is called Dark Side, Hide and Seek, Clutch. This shimmer right here is gorgeous, swatched beautifully, super buttery. Very excited to try that on the lid. The one next to it right here is Flip Out, I Spy. This blue is gorgeous right here. This is called Silver Spoon, Swoop, After Midnight, and then All Nighter. This is gorgeous. I actually really love this palette. I'm very excited to try it out. Pretty Vulgar Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette retails for $35. This retails for $35. So next is this cute little tote bag. This isn't listed on here, so I'm guessing it was just like, obviously it didn't cost them anything or something, I don't know. But it is super cute. It is all black, very pretty. I will actually definitely be using this. I'll probably take this to work today. And it says Totes a Charmer, and it says Boxy. It has the Boxycharm logo on the bottom. Nothing in the back, but it's still very nice. It feels pretty good. I think I'll definitely be using this just because Next, we have the Alamar Brush Trio. If I'm not mistaken, everybody, also the regular 21 box, got this as well. This retails for $18 for the brush trio, which is nice. This looks like it is a packing brush right here. This is a nice little packing brush. You know, you like Fix Plus or, you know, your little setting spray, dip it in a shimmer and put it all over your lid. This is what I call, me personally, I call this a packing brush. Maybe it's not. If it isn't and you think it's something different, please leave it in the description. But I mean, please leave it in the comments down below, because I don't know, maybe I'm just crazy. This is a blending brush. This is a nice cute little fluffy brush. It feels very soft. I'm very happy about this because I've been in the market for a new blending brush. They seem very nice. So, and then this is a flat top brush, very nice for the precision lines, for when you do like a cut crease or something. This is something I would pick up for that. So this is exciting, and like I said, this retails for $18. So next we got this Luxe Beauty brush right here. I think this is a part of their new collection. This Luxe brush, this is the 732 Airbrush Foundation brush, okay? And it retails for $38. Jeez, oh, it's very nice. This isn't plastic. It feels felt, kind of. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's like, it's very nice. It has a very nice touch to it. It seems very easy. I don't really use brushes for foundation. I don't know, I don't like the little streaks the brushes leave, but I definitely want to try this because it looks pretty, and I'm not just gonna have it sitting there doing nothing. So it feels very soft and very dense. Next, I got this Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten in Tropic Hues. This is very, very nice. I don't have anything from Laura Geller, so this is definitely very nice. Oh, it has a cute little mirror inside. Okay, I'm sorry, I don't know why I keep doing that. I'm gonna make it a thing though. Hey guys, how are you? Okay, so this is the cute little blush. I actually am very excited to try this out. I'm going to swatch it right here. So here it is on my hand. Ooh, very pretty. I'm going to swatch it. Ooh, yeah, child. Okay, this is something I can definitely get behind. It is a beautiful blush, but it also has a cute little shimmer to it, which is great because the Laura Geller blush, Baked Blush and Brighten, retails for $28. This is pretty cool. I am actually very excited about this. $28. Nice. Next up is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellar Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. Ooh. So, I've never tried anything from Juice Beauty either. This is what it looks like. It's very cute, and then you just pop a little pump. I own one of the e.l.f. hydrating bubble mask that has a pump like this where you just push it out and the product comes through this little hole, and then you swoop it and put it. So I'm excited to use this. I've never tried anything from Juice Beauty, so this would be nice. The Juice Beauty Stem Cellar Anti-Wrinkle. The Juice Beauty Stem Cellar Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer retails for $70. What the fuck? $70? Holy shit. R&Co Death Valley Dry Shampoo. This is a very nice. I don't really use dry shampoo, but I think I just don't use dry shampoo mostly because I wash my hair all the fucking time, so I don't really think I need it. But I'm definitely gonna try it for like those lazy days. I need to try. I have one of these already, so. Well, I don't have one of these. I have a dry shampoo, not this one though. So this is the Death Valley Dry Shampoo, which is nice. This retails for. Find it. Oh, right here. $17 for this little dry shampoo, which is cool. Seems like a fair price, I guess. I don't know. I don't use it, so I don't buy stuff like that, so I don't know. Next, we have a Violet Voss liquid lipstick in the shade Muse. I believe, I'm not sure. I believe that everybody. What is this pretty? Oh, bitch. I believe everybody that got the regular Boxycharm got one of these as well. So yes, this is actually very pretty. I don't own anything from Violet Voss, although I do want to try out her eyeshadow palettes because I heard that they're gorgeous. So yes, here it is, a regular doe foot. Oh, I'm gonna put that right here. Yeah, I'm gonna put it right here. Oh, bitch. Oh, fuck, I got some on my nose. It really honestly doesn't smell like anything at all. But here is the shade right there. It is in the shade Muse, which is pretty. This is gonna be such a great color. I absolutely love colors like this. Pinky nudes are just my favorite. I absolutely love this color. It felt so nice, and I actually I don't even feel it on my skin right now. As weird as that sounds, like I don't even feel it. It's gorgeous. I'm really gonna love this so much. I'm loving this box. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the Violet Voss liquid lipstick retails for $12. So this retails for $12, and I'm not surprised. I would pay $12 for this. This feels amazing. Next, we got the Smashbox Photo Finish So Chill Coconut Primer Water. This is the one that they made in collaboration with Nicole Concilio. Okay? And it just came in my box. I have been wanting to try this for so long. I'm so excited for this. You guys don't understand. This retails for $32. Honestly, it's probably worth it. It is worth it. It's amazing. It smells great. $32. We have two more things in here. Next is the Vintage Cosmetics Company Dolly Makeup Headband. So this is super cute. This retails for $4.99, so it's $5. This is nice. I'm actually pretty excited for this. I never have headbands and my hair always gets my way, so this is perfect. Last but definitely not least is the Sol de Janeiro Ipanema Sunset Glow Oil. Translucent, transfer resistant shimmer for body and face. Okay. The Sol de Janeiro Ipanema Sunset Glow retails for $35. I'm so thankful and I love this, and it's just so exciting, and I'm very, very happy. So thank you guys for watching. I will leave everything that I've showed off here down below in the description box. And don't forget, if you guys want product shots, don't forget I will leave my product shot Instagram and my regular Instagram down below so you guys can check those out. Yeah, I'm super happy with everything that I got here, and I'm very excited to try all of it out. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you're new, hello, my name is Sylvia and I'm an aspiring MUA. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.